Hello, this is the video for the Bridgestone hackathon with regards to the idea management platform that we developed. Firstly, let me introduce you to our team. Our team is, the first member of our team is Chinmay Patil, front-end developer. Second member is Prathamesh Forwadkar, front-end developer, Vishwajit Sawant, full-stack developer, and Jay Rupe, that is myself, back-end developer. Let us go to the site that we have developed. Firstly, we have used the Django framework and the Django REST framework to build our site, and for the front end we have used HTML, CSS and to a certain degree JavaScript. The first thing that you see when you go to a site, we have hosted this site on railway.app. First thing you see when you go to the site is a sign in page. So I need a username and password to sign in. Let's just say I don't have an account already, so I can just click here and go to the sign up page. So I need a username for sign up. I'll say nay@gmail.com. I need to give some password and I need to confirm password. After I click on sign up button, it will load and it will take me to the personal details page. So here I have to put in some name, my city, my state and my country. I can just leave it to not specified for now. I have to put in some mobile number, department and a field of work, years of experience, and I need to provide an image. If I don't provide it with an image, it will take a default image. So if I click on submit, I'll reload this page, and after reloading this page, as you can see, it has taken me to my own profile. That is that's my name, my department, city and all those things. So the next thing, I can also update my profile from here. If I click on the update button, as you can see, I am taken to the update profile page. So from the profile page, I will go over to the home page. In the home page, the first thing is that I have these 3 departments over here currently. The admin can change the departments, he can add or delete them. If I click on the marketing department, I am taken to a program of marketing. So the departments are up here and programs are down here. For each of the program, I have 2 buttons, apply and view. If I click on the view button, I can see the description of the program, the start date, end date, the application start date, end date, and the ideas that have already been submitted for this program. If I click on apply, I'm taken to a form for my own idea. So let's just say I have some idea, an idea for hackathon, and I have this description summary, and I need to provide some image. So I'll provide this image, and if I click on submit, I am taken to my own idea page. So this was the image that I provided, this is the description, and these are things about me, my name, experience, the working post and the status of my idea. So currently my idea is in pending status, so one of the idea champion will have to take my idea. And I also have this update and delete buttons over here. So if I want to update my idea, I can do so. If I wanted to delete my idea, just say I don't want to do this currently, but if I want to delete, if I could now submit, my idea will be deleted and all records regarding to it will be deleted. If I go back to home page once again, and if I go back to the program I applied in, and if I click on view, as you can see, the hackathon, that was my idea's title, is also showed over here. That was the flow for the ideator. If I go to the profile page and view ideas, and as you can see over here, this is the title of the idea provided. So this page lists all the ideas that I already have. We also have some filters over here. So currently my only idea is in this pending state. So if tomorrow I have many ideas and I want to see all completed ideas, I can just click on this and apply. Now I want to log out. Next, let's just see the flow of work of the jury or the idea champion. So I've created an account for the jury, that is jury, and the password is jury@1234. So jury and jury@1234. Click on login. Okay, as you can see, I am taken to the jury's homepage. So the homepage for the jury is pretty much similar to the homepage for ideator. They are all the same: apply, delete, view. except for this view ideas page. So when I go to view ideas page, as you can see, this hackathon idea that I had applied as nay is now over here. So I can view this idea, and if I think this idea is appropriate, I have an option to change the status of this idea. So in the status, I have to give some projected revenue for this idea. Let's just say 300, and the actual net revenue it has generated up till now. No, the idea was in pending status, so I want to make it into active status. So someone is working on this idea now, and I will give a score to this idea and change status. So as you can see, this idea has gone from pending state to an active state. And if I go to view ideas, even here it is now in active state. So I can change the idea status for any idea like this, any idea that comes within my business unit. So if I go to home page, you can see that I am the idea champion for 2 business units, that is marketing and HR. So I cannot judge or change status of ideas relating to finance business unit because I am not a jury for those things. And if I go to my profile, you can see that this is my profile, that is my name, Mr. Jury, idea champion, I am an idea champion, and my email ID. Okay, now let's just log out and let me show the workflow of the admin. So I also created an account for admin, that's his account, and the username for admin is admin and where it 1 2 3 4. If I log in, okay, now the admin, the home page for admin is a bit different. So we have the update button over here for the business department. I can update the business department over here. If I want to, I can change the description or the jury for it. Apart from this, there is also this marketing planning, the program, and even here I can update the program as I wish. Then there is this admin panel for the admins. So in the admin panel, I can see that okay, I have 2 ideas which are in pause status. I have 1 idea which is in handoff status, 1 complete, 1 in pause status, 1 in paused and 1 in complete status. So if I also want to see the activity of idea, that is how many ideas were submitted each day. So I can click on the see idea activity button, and as you can see, 3 ideas were submitted yesterday, that is 10 January 2023, and 6 ideas were submitted today, that is 11 January 2023. If I go back to my admin panel, I also have the option to create or add a program. I can provide name, description, business unit, and I also have an option to add a business unit itself. I have to provide name, description, and who will be jury for this business unit. So if I once again go back to my admin panel, there's also one more option, that is send invitation. So I had sent an invitation to someone. I will withdraw it for now. So I have an option to send invitation to someone, maybe someone who is not already a user. I want to send them invitation. So I will say someone, that is their name, let's just say, and someone @gmail.com. So when this someone logs in with their Gmail ID, this exact Gmail ID, then they may receive this invitation. I want to make them jury for this HR department. I can also click the option of admin. So if I click option of admin, then they will receive an invitation to be an admin. Okay, so I'll proceed with the invitation. I'll log out and create new account, someone, and I will put in the exact same Gmail ID as I had put it in the invitation. And I will say sign up. So there are these some details I have to fill, the mobile number that must be given, the department, field of work, and the years of experience. And I don't need to choose a file because there's this default file. And if I refresh this page, okay, I am on my heading, and as you can see, there's this invitation. I was invited for the post of jury by admin, that was the name of my account. And if I click on view invitation, before this, as you can see, I am an ideator. I don't have any other option from home, profile, and logout. If I click on view, I will be taken to this invitation page, and I will say accept. If I say accept, as you can see, now I have this new option of view ideas. So these are all the ideas for the department of which I was invited to be a jury of. So I can change status for these ideas. So that was the overall flow of the ideator, the jury, the admin, and how the invitation system works. So I may log out now, or before that, after I log out now, we have also provided an API. So if someone wants to integrate our website in their applications, then they may use this API. So if you call to API, you get all the URLs which you may call. So if I say API ideas, I get a JSON response of all the ideas that are currently present. And in similar ways, we may call all these other URLs. So I can call idea 1 to get idea 10 to get the status of idea with ID 10. So these other URLs can be called in similar way. We have deployed our project on railway.app, that is this app, and we are using a Postgres SQL database. We have also deployed it on render.com because this deployment is valid only for 10 days. After that, we would have to pay them. So we have also deployed our project on render.com. We will send both the URLs in the Google form.